The Huawei Pura X View is the world's first non-folding, widescreen candy bar smartphone. Officially unveiled on August 20, 2026. The device will be available in 4 distinct finishes: Phantom Night Black, 0° White, Leaping Shadow Red, and Linen Gray. The Pura X View features a display with a 16 minutes and 9.5 seconds aspect ratio and a resolution of 2232 by 1320 pixels. A 6.39-inch diagonal sound smaller than typical 6.9-inch flagship screens. Deliver up to 6,500 nits of peak brightness, while the phone offers a 96.1% screen-to-body ratio with 1.05 mm thin bezels. The phone measures just 6.68 mm in thickness and weighs 201 grams, despite packing a 7,000 mAh battery. A Kirin 9030's chipset with 12 GB of RAM, paired with up to 1 TB of storage. It launches with HarmonyOS 7. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.